Students, this is our today's SST work. In our previous work, we have done question number 1 and question number 2 long. Now I write the answer of question number 3. I again devise the question, find out the safety measures. Find out the safety measures that should be taken during an earthquake. When there is an earthquake, what safety measures we should be adopt to make ourselves safe from the shaking of earthquake? I write the answer of this question in steps. The first step is stay indoor. We should stay at homes until the shaking stops. Until the earthquake shaking stops, we should stay at homes to make ourselves safe. The second step is stay away from windows. Students, when the pressure of earthquake is more, the shaking is also more. With the shaking of the earthquake, the doors and windows and the walls have been fall. So we should stay away from windows, doors and walls to make ourselves safe. The third step is if you are outdoors. These two steps are the safety measures when we should stay at home. But when we are in outdoors such as places in our offices, in parks, in street, in bazaar, and in many other outdoor places, stay away from buildings. We should stay away from large buildings that are present in cities. Trees are also falls due to the shaking of earthquakes. So we should stay away from buildings, trees, and power lines are the lines of electricity lines, electricity wires, and the big lines of electricity. We should stay away from all these things to make ourselves students. Now I share some pictures. In these pictures, you see that how we should save ourselves when the earthquake ends. Now look at these pictures. Students, look at your books. In these pictures shows earthquakes. In these pictures, we shows the effect of earthquakes, how the doors, windows, and the walls have been fall, and everything is destroyed. How people are working to save ourselves and save from others. In these pictures, we show the effects of earthquakes. That after earthquake, how everything is destroyed. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand the answer of this question. Now student, I raise the board and write the next question. Which is question number 4. Question number 4 is, what is meteorology? What is meteorology? Now I write the answer of this. Now I write the answer of this. Actually, what is meteorology? The study of weather weather is noun. The study of weather is known as meteorology. The study of weather is known as meteorology. When the scientists study about the weather, what kind of weather and what the pressures of winds and airs and humidity and water in weathers, the information that the scientists, meteorologists get about the weather is called the study of meteorology. Meteorologists give us a weather forecast of meteorologist is the persons who study about the weather give us a forecast of everyday weather. Of everyday's weather. Now I again explain the answer of this question. What is meteorology? The study of weather. मौसम के बारे में जानना, उसके बारे में मालूमात हासिल करना, इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना is known as meteorology. इल्म मौसमियात. Meteorology means इल्म मौसमियात. Meteorologist is basically a person who study of weather, who collect the information about the weather, give us a forecast of everyday's weather. Meteorologists actually give us everyday's weather information as we get on internet and on TV. We know that after 2 days there is rain, there will be rain, and when the sun comes and how much the temperature of the earth, all these information give us meteorologist. Now I write the diary of SST. Lesson number 3, long question. 3 plus 4 is C work line. I hope all the students note down our 2 days work. Now show me your copies. Have you done your work? Now students, show me your copy. Ghulam Fatma, very good. Jannat and Naska, very good. Very good, Jannat and Naska. I check your copy. Other students, Sachi, show me your copies. Nurulda, show me your copy. Have you done your work? Very good, students. I hope all the students note down the diary or all the 2 days questions of SST.